Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for straight back. Let's begin. Let's sit down, nice and tall. Relax your shoulders. Bring your arms together. Inhale, exhale. Bring elbows down, shoulder blades together. Engage trapezius muscle. And elbow touch. Inhale, open your arms. And exhale together. Inhale, open shoulder blades together. Use trapezius upper back muscle to engage. Keep your chest open and exhale. Pectoralis major, engage. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, sternum lifting up and exhale. Inhale, really try to open, get a lot of sunshine. And exhale, one more inhale. Open up your chest. And exhale, all the way your arms down. Okay, now let's take a tabletop pose. On your fours, palm heel underneath your shoulders, knee open about your hip distance, and tuck your toes. From here, inhale, bring your left arms up. Make sure to use shoulder blades. Touch together, squeeze. Open up your chest. And exhale, passing under your armpit. And rest your head on the mat. Keep a tailbone high up to the sky. Breathe. Always cultivate Ujjayi breath, Ujjayi pranayama. Make sure to keep your navel to the spine. Keep your core engaged. Shoulder, chest, relax. And inhale. Next exhale, release this pose. Now inhale, right arms to the sky, gaze up, shoulder blades together, engage trapezius muscle. And exhale, release. Passing under armpit, head rest on the mat. Relax shoulders, relax shoulder, melting down to the mat. Tailbone to the sky. Make sure to keep your core engaged. Check your shoulders. Check your neck. Especially upper body around shoulders and upper back. Around the muscle around shoulder blades. Actively relax. Don't forget breath. Breathing is most important part of yoga exercise. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Always think about Ujjayi pranayama. Inhale. Next, exhale, release. From here, all the way stretch out. Belly down. Toes straight. Inhale, arms, palms down, arms stretch out above your head. And exhale, shoulder blades together. Open up your chest, lift up your sternum. Inhale, straight. Make sure to keep your back of your neck straight, long. Exhale, bring your arms beside your hips. Shoulder blades engage. Inhale. Exhale, lift up your sternum. Inhale. Exhale, make sure to keep your toes touching the floor. Inhale. Exhale, lift up your sternum, open up your chest. Inhale. And exhale. And palms down. Now push back to downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Make sure 10 toes open wide, 10 fingers open wide. In the inhale, I want you to keep your heels as high as you can. And exhale, heels down to your right. A little bit twist your upper body. Gaze to the side. Gaze, it's called drishti. And inhale, exhale, heels to your left. Gaze to your right. Drishti to the right. Shoulders away from ears. Try to keep your tailbone high up to the sky. Make sure you use your palm heels. Inhale on your toes, exhale slowly down. Now let's walk your legs to your hands to the top of the mat. And inhale halfway up, Adha Uttanasana. Make sure tailbone reaching to backward, crown reaching forward, shoulder blades together. Open up your chest. Long neck. Create space between each vertebra. And if it's too much on your knees, you can keep your knees slightly bent. Make sure to keep your navel to the spine. Use your core to keep good posture. And exhale, release Uttanasana, forward fold. Release everything, bend your knees slowly. Each vertebra roll up. And roll your shoulders down. Cervical vertebra stuck. Good. Toes, heels touch. And from here, interlace your hands behind, shoulder blades together, open up your chest. Inhale and exhale, little bit chair pose, Utkatasana. Use trapezius. Contract trapezius muscle. Open up pectoralis major. Breathe, squeeze your knees. And release. Now forward fold. Keep your hands this way. And if its balance is difficult, you can keep your feet open up about your hip distance a little wider. And stay there, relax. And if it's too much on your knees, you can keep your knees slightly bent. And feel free to release your neck. Gently sway your neck to the side. Subtle, small movement. And release your hands. Inhale halfway. And exhale, plant your hands and step back to plank. Heel crown. Heel to the crown, one line. Core engaged. Inhale, exhale, hug elbows and chaturanga. And toes straight. Upper facing dog, Uba Mukha Shavasana. Shoulder blades together. Shoulder socket down. Keep your back, neck long. wrist forward. Don't collapse your neck. Keep your neck long. Crown pull upward. 10 toes pressing down. And breathe. Shoulders away from ears. Always think about space between. And exhale. Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Heels down. Shoulders away from ears. Tailbone toward the sky. 10 toes, 10 fingers open wide. Chest to the thighs. And breathe in for 2. Breathe in for 3. Dorishi. Gaze between your legs. 4. And 5. Now kneel down. Caesar position. And from here, interlace your fingers behind. Again, shoulder blades together. Lift up your sternum and gaze slightly up. You notice your arms, shoulders holding tension. Try to relax. Few more breath. And next exhale, release. Now sit down. Knee up, flatten your feet, and place your hands a little bit, not beside your hips, slightly behind. And from here, shoulder blades together, gaze up, lift up your sternum. Let's take 5 deep breaths here. Again, try to feel the trapezius, the muscle around your shoulder blades and the upper back. It's really like engaging in order to keep your chest up and sternum lifting up. Now I'm really expanding the front of my chest. Pectoralis major, really open up. And after 5 breaths, release. And let's take a little bit of pause. 1 breath. 2 breaths. And 3 breaths. Now again, place your palms down. From here, inhale this time, lift up your hips. Exhale, lifting up. And try to keep your shoulder, hips, and knee one line. And down. Reverse tabletop. Up. Down. Up. Down. Lift up. Down. Lifting up. Down. Few more. Connect your movement with your breath. 1 more. Lifting up and down. Okay, now slowly lay down on your back. Keep your knee up and bring your heels close to your hips. And knee open about your hip distance. Don't not open up your knees. Keep your knees straight, parallel. And inhale, slowly bring your hips up. And interlace your hands under, roll your shoulders in, keep your chest open and up. Bridge pose. Let's take between 5 to 8 breaths. Make sure to keep your chest, hips, knee, one diagonal line. Gaze up toward the ceiling. And after 5 deep breaths, slowly release your hands. Bring your hips down. And now, just drop your knees to your right. You can use a hand, gently press your knees down. And open your chest, straighten your arm. Gaze dristy to the left. Just release the back muscle we use today. Release. Rest. Again, soften your gaze, soften your drishti. And if you notice shoulder tension, use your exhale to release. Again, all 4 limbs totally relax. No muscle, no tension hold. Inhale, exhale, knee back to center. And now drop your knees to your left, opposite side. And open up your chest and drishti gaze to the right. Again, relax your back muscle. We use it a lot in today's exercise. Relax your neck. Relax your chest. Relax your shoulders. And soften your upper back. Inhale. Exhale, release. Knee back to center. And now straighten your knees, straighten your arms. Take a final pose of Shavasana. Inhale. And exhale, let it go, relax. This sequence is designed to strengthen your back and overall improve your posture. I recommend you do it every other day. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!